like he might come to you. Oh, go Stevie.
Steve! Come on, Steve!
Poor dog.
She's about 3.
Got a tag on.
Yeah, that's our dog.
Oh, it's your dog.
Yeah! Yeah! It's my dog, Steve.
Where do you live at?
Reinhardt. Reinhardt. We live up on Reinhardt by Hillcrest.
How far is how many miles is that?
Oh, mile.
Went all the way down.
Yes.
Swam across.
Adventurous.
Man,
That's my little boy's dog.
keep a better leash on it. Come on, Master Mohican.
Yeah. She got out during the storm on Saturday night. Actually, Sunday morning is when.
What did it go under the fence?
Yeah.
I just didn't figure out that little dog would even swim.
I think after it got a taste of that cold water, it didn't want to come back across.